Hey guys, Milo here. Welcome to video today. I'm trying to do try not to say wow challenge, but Infinite listed it about oh god, why do I have to forget? Well, let's go for it. But there's one problem. Fixed it. All you need to do is just click the screen and we get into it. And I better press play. Okay, that's a parachute. He's maybe going gliding. And well, that's not good. Cutting up fruit. Just a painting. It's probably I'm not going to say the W word. Okay, that is awesome. But there's a string on the one. You don't steal honeycomb bees. Then you steal honeycomb bees. If you want to steal honeycomb bees, you don't do it. What is that? Play? I have no idea what that is. Okay, that's amazing, but not gonna make me say the W word. Okay. Painting. Okay, painting. Okay, I like the rainbow, but not that bad. Okay. But oh my god. Well, that'll be a weight of paint. Okay, I'm not saying the W word, and that is good, but not good enough. Then I will. You can share it to Infinite List. Oh, I've seen that before. It's like those beads, like you can draw something. Oh my god. Painting with knives. Don't use knives! Just wait, is that paint or paper? No, that's paper. What are you doing? Okay. Try not to say it. Not saying the W word. Slime. Yep. Yep, that's slime. Clay. I'm not sure. No. Totally fake. Fake. Really? Pheasant. What? Is that a roller coaster? I don't know. I need a quick look. I need to go back to that to check where that is. I'm actually wearing a headphones. What? Wait, is that gold? You're not gonna make me say the W word, and it's easy for me because I sometimes say it, sometimes don't. But when it's videos, I don't say the W word. Rubbish go! Pennywise, the dancing clown. I know. Oh god, that scared me. Dying black? No. Oh, I wish I could do backflips, but why did he put food colouring in it? Is that coffee or? Do you think I'm gonna say the W word, but it's not. It's gotta be that hard. It's probably be the green screen. And I have no idea what they're doing. Is it going to move on to the next thing? My phone's the 100%. There's one thing I can't say the W word. Oh god, I am nearly dizzy from that. He probably had lots of training. I'm not saying the W word. I know it's easy, but hard for infinite this. Okay. I wish I didn't know what that is, but that one's not going to make me say the W word. What is that? I think that's probably something that I don't even know. But I want to know what that is. Probably clay. or something. Oh, right, that probably looked like paint. Okay. I see what that is. It goes round. Let's see how many minutes we got left until this video is over. When this video is over, hit the W word. Oh my god, it's Nathan Inch, but I am so happy when it's finished. What is that? Probably be yeah. But sometimes it's easy for me. But I don't have better lighting. I have like a published lighting right there. Do you think I'm not that smart to say the W word? Nathan Inch. Well, infinite list. I kinda won the challenge. No W word. It's so easy for me, but I kind of yes, did it. No, pause. And that one isn't. They didn't. They actually didn't do it in 1 second. They actually they cut in half, get out the everything in. They cut it in. Look. Okay, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down what me to do next. I probably do more try not to sing challenge, try not to laugh challenge, or try not to say wow challenge again, because I kind of won. Because I can say it because the video is going to be over. Okay. And don't forget to share the video to anyone in your family to actually let them watch this video. But there's one problem. I can't. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Good.